If PowerPoint is showing error 153 when you try to insert or play a video, don't worry. This is usually a file format or codec issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll start with the most important solution first, then move on to a couple of backup fixes in case the problem still isn't resolved. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first and most important fix is to convert the video to MP4 format. PowerPoint works best with MP4 files that use the H.264 video codec, so if your file is in MOV, AVI, WMV, or another format, that could be the reason you're seeing error 153. To check the format, go to your file manager and look at the file extension at the end of the video name. If it is not MP4, you'll want to convert it before trying again in PowerPoint. A simple way to do that is by using an online converter like CloudConvert. Open your browser and go to CloudConvert. Then upload the video file that is causing the error. Next, choose MP4 as the output format and make sure the encoding is set to H.264 if that option appears. This is important because PowerPoint is much more reliable with that standard. After that, start the conversion and wait for the process to finish. Once the new file is ready, download it to your computer. Now go back into PowerPoint and reinsert the newly converted MP4 video into your slide. In many cases, this alone will fix error 153 immediately because PowerPoint can now read the file properly. If the video plays normally, then you're good to go. If not, don't worry. We still have more fixes to try. The second fix is to install missing codecs on your Windows PC. Sometimes PowerPoint is not the real problem. The issue is that Windows cannot properly decode the video file, especially if the video came from a phone, camera, or another device that uses a less common codec. To fix that, download and install the K-Lite codec pack. When you run the installer, use the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. Default settings are usually the safest choice for most users. After the installation finishes, restart your computer. This step is important because it allows Windows and PowerPoint to load the new codec support correctly. Once your PC starts back up, open PowerPoint again and test the video. If the file now plays properly, then the codec issue was the cause of the error. This fix is especially useful if the video format is already MP4 but PowerPoint still refuses to open it. If you are using an older version of PowerPoint or older video files, the third fix is to install QuickTime. This is mainly helpful on older systems where certain video files need Apple's support components to be read correctly. Go to Apple's official site and download QuickTime if it is still available for your system version. Install it, follow the prompts, and then restart your computer afterward. After that, return to PowerPoint and test the video again to see if the error is gone. At this point, one of these three fixes should solve PowerPoint error 153 in most situations. In almost every case, the best place to start is converting the video to MP4 with H.264 because that is the most compatible format for PowerPoint. If that doesn't solve it, Codecs and QuickTime are the next things to check. Before you go, if this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick software tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it makes sure you don't miss the next helpful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.